Welcome back, Bala Squad. In this video, we will be reviewing the Akeso Brave 4 4K action camera. We'll be going over the camera details, its overall performance and quality, comparing the Akeso Brave 4 versus my GoPro Hero 7, and I'll give you my final overall thoughts and let you know if this camera is even worth buying. Let's get started. So Akeso is the official company that produces the Brave 4 action camera. This company looks like it prides themselves on creating affordable sports cameras, action cameras that still have the potential to give you high quality footage. Now, if you check out the website, they actually are now up to the Brave 8 and have some special edition cameras as well. So be sure to do some research to get the best quality for what you're looking for. I personally purchased the Brave 4 on Amazon. It's currently listed as the best seller in its category, and I had paid $89.99, but with the frequency of Amazon sales, you can definitely find it cheaper if you do some more research. Now, the Brave 4 action camera is more so made to capture fast, very fast motions. It has multiple features like image stabilization, an adjustable angle view, and it is waterproof up to 100 feet and comes with a cool little wireless remote control to where you can control the camera even if you're away from it. Now, the Brave 4 shoots up to 4K video resolution with a 20MP Sony sensor and has a 2-inch screen with 5x optical zoom. The camera has Wi-Fi, USB, and HDMI connectivity, so you can connect the camera directly to your TV or your computer. Using the Brave 4 action camera Wi-Fi and downloading the Akeso Go app, it will allow you to monitor motion in real time and instantly share to your phone for social media or even just routine export. Whew. Let's see what's in the box. So when your Brave 4 comes in the mail, here is what's going to be inside your box. You will find one Akeso Brave 4 action camera, one 2.4G remote control. This is the wireless remote that I mentioned earlier. You'll find 2 camera batteries, 1 waterproof case, 1 bicycle stand, 7 mounts, 2 clips, 1 helmet mount, so you'll have the 7 mounts with 1 additional helmet mount, 5 tethers, 1 protective back door, 1 USB cable, and of course a quick reference guide. Once you cracked open your Brave 4 and you have it ready to go, grab your Balaclava and let's go see what this bad boy can do. Oh, I was unable to see what that bad boy could do. At the time of making that video, I actually had ran into some problems with the RZ. I'm pretty sure it was the day I was actually recording that video when I went out to get footage for the Akeso when I started to realize the initial problems with the RZ. So sadly, I was unable to get any action footage for this video. As some of you may already know, the RZ has seen its last day. I'm currently in the process of stripping the bike down and rebuilding it. If you guys are interested in any of those videos or any content like that, definitely stay tuned to the channel. Shout out to the Bala Squad. We just reached 350 subscribers. To everybody new to the channel, anybody new subscribing, I really thank and appreciate you. You can support the channel by subscribing. Thanks for checking out today's video. It's your boy Bala. Peace.